How to put promo code in Subway app. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. First and foremost, you have to open up your Subway application and make sure that it is up to date. To log in, you have to enter a credential. If you do not have an account, make sure to create one. So first and foremost, to add a promo code, you actually have to purchase food items from Subway application. So go ahead and order up any of the food item and quantity of your desire. Now once you are done shopping of your food item, you have to head to the next step, that is the payment section. You will find the total of your payment and your food as well. So you have to simply tap on the place order option. Once you tap on place order, in the next step, you have to select a payment method. In your payment method, you will see the gift card option and your regular card. Just go ahead and select your gift card option provided to you. When you tap on it, it will ask you for a gift card number. At the back of your card, you should see your gift card, or just use the promo code that you have virtually or by the card itself. Make sure you carefully and correctly enter the promo code or the gift card number. If it's a legit and valid gift card or promo code, you will see some of the discount in your grand total. And that is how you can know it is a legit promo code and it also worked. And that is how you can easily put your promo code in Subway app. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.